They're literally, they're brilliant. Where they stand out is speed of response and the ease at which the jobs proceed with, progress with, yeah. I'm Steve from SimplyDiag Network, based in Northwich in Cheshire. We're here at the SimplyDiag Network Community Hub. It's an online community and portal for technical support globally for technicians of all skill levels. Here in the hub we do a wide variety of things. We offer technical support, one-to-one training, and we also use real live vehicles with faults in our workshop as training aids. So we're working with the public, we're working with technicians. We're a global community where everybody's welcome regardless of your skill level or your background. Since we've been using Core Diagnostics for the remote services part of the business we're in, we've worked on multiple brands, multiple vehicles, from programming to diagnostic jobs for SCN coding. Every single job we've done with them has been seamless, stress-free from start to finish. Some of the challenges we faced before using Core services with other companies, we'd have to book timed appointments, sometimes 2 or 3 hours in advance. Luckily for us now, Core offer their remote services. Within 30 seconds, we've got a technician on the end of the internet ready to do the job for us. In our community, we have lots of new members that are realising the advances in vehicle technology means they have to dip their toe into dealer-level diagnostics. The impact Core Diagnostics have on our members is Core offer an easy, stress-free route into the world of dealer-level diagnostics and programming. What really stands out for me is if I'm plugged into a Ford, I know the Core technician at the other end is absolutely familiar with the Ford dealer tool, is able to answer any questions at all that I may have. And to be honest, that goes for BMW, Ford, Mercedes, Volvo, VAG, in fact, all the brands that they cover.
Can you share a time when they went above and beyond?
Well, to be honest, what they do is I'll get a member here on a ride-along day, and then I'll plug into a car for the sake of plugging into a car and ask them to do something, and they know full well it's not a real job. Yeah, but they still do it. They still do a demo. They run through it with our members, and they're very, very patient. Yeah. We've been working with Core Diagnostics for well over 12 months now. We're really, really happy to welcome them as one of our strongest community partners, and we highly recommend them both to our members and any other garages that are out there that are thinking about using remote services. If you're thinking of working with Core, what I would say to you is come and try it for yourself. Either book your one-to-one ride-along day with me here in the hub or drop into our live Zoom and we can do remotely. If I had to sum up Core Diagnostics in one sentence, it'd be the 3 S's: stress-free, seamless, and SimplyDiag.